Hi, welcome to Python assignment 3. Let me start a assignment. Remove every third element from the list and print the new list. The given list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and expected output equal to bracket 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Here we need to remove the every third element from the list. Let me go for the solution. I will open the new Python file and I will take the given list. Okay, we got the given list, and next I need to get the new list. New list equal to, and from I am using the slice operator to get the new list. First I need to get the every third element. I will start from the 2, and here is the step over is the 3. It will give the every third element from the list. Okay, let me print the new list, whether we'll get the desired output or not. Okay, print new list. Okay, save it, A03, and just open the CMD mode and Python A03.py. Yes, 369. It will remove we have got the values 369. Okay, just we don't want this now. Just comment it and just look for the new list. Okay, and new list, and get the index of the every element and pop that element from the given list. Let me do that. And given list, I will given list dot pop here. Given list, I will get the index, that list and index, get the index, so in here, close that and print the output, and final output equal to how to print the final output. Let me run the program. Final output will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Correct, right? Yes, so we have got the desired output now. You can see here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more Python assignment videos.